We have a 2011 Honda Civic 1.8 SI, and this one is 87,000 miles, I think. It's got 2 keys and it's got full service history and a lot from Honda as well. Now this, as you can see, it's had a bump around the front, and this is a category N, which is non-structural from the insurance company. I'll get to this bit last. We're pretty much straight all the way down the car. The top's all good. And that side there. And the back. It's just been jet washed, so we can see what we're doing with it. And there's pretty much no damage on it at all. A little bit there, a bit average. So straight down that side as well. You do with a Hoover, but it's pretty decent inside. It's got kind of like Alcantara and leather, or at least a fake version of it. Looks like it wears well at least. And the front pretty much the same. It's got half decent spec on it because it's an SI. And the front's alright, yeah. Right, so let's get round to the damage. So, front end, actually no paintwork needed on this, I don't think. It's popped itself out with its bumper brackets. It's popped out. Down there is good, and that's popped out as well. It'll just be clicked back in. There's a few light scratches on this, but I think with the machine polish it'll mostly come out, and I'm not going to paint a bumper for just that. So underneath the bonnet, excuse the camera work where I'm just putting that in. So quick jet wash underneath it, obviously, just so we can see what we're doing. It's nice and clean to work on, but that's been broken there, so I'll need a new headlight there. And the same with this side, so 2 broken tabs, and it's actually cracked it down the bottom there as well. And the front bumper bar looks okay, but it's just squashed in just there. And these are actually, you can bend it with my finger, very thin. And they're supposed to be, because they crumble, but we got a new one of those, and also a new grille as well. And they're really hard to get, so I had to buy a brand new Honda one, which is painful, but hey ho. And the trim's missing here. So trim, headlight, grille, headlight, and the other panel bits, the trim cover for the bonnet is in the back as well, so that'll be put on. It certainly needs a Hoover in the back. There it is, that'll be just clicked on as well. So what's this worth? These typically retail for $4.5. It's got good ownership, good service history, 2 keys, and it seems a real decent car. So I think when it's put together and it's done right, this is £3,500, and it'll make someone a very, very decent car.